Big J's on the track.
Alright, YouTube, this is the Gravely Pro Walk 36-inch. I was having problems with my PTO clutch. I just got it out the shop today, and the PTO clutch was stuck up on the drive shaft. So what they did, they was able to get it off, and he told me that the spindles is going bad on this thing here. So let me show you how to tell if your spindles is gone bad. Okay, you all, as you can see here, this is the right side spindle and this is the left side spindle. So to tell when the spindle is gone out, we're going to spin it and listen for a sound. As you can see on that one, you don't hear a sound. It's pretty smooth. Now on this one, I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Let me do it again. As you can see, it's kind of making like a wobbly noise, like it's rubbing on something, like it's uneven. Now on this one, it's real smooth. So what we're going to do, we're going to swap this spindle out. We're going to put a new one on this one. So we're going to replace it here with this spindle here. All right, YouTube, stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, you all, this is the blade here. I'm going to remove the right side of this blade here. Okay, we got that removed. Now we're going to the top to remove that nut off the spindles. Okay, we got that removed. Okay, as you can see, this is the old spindle that came out. And we're going to remove these bolts here around. We're going to remove all of this here. Okay, you all, this is the old spindle here. As you can see. Now we're going to replace it with the new ones. As you can see, this is the new one. And that's the old one. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put the pulley back on. Followed by a big washer and a small washer. Okay, y'all, we're gonna put this nut back on here.
Big J's on the track.
Watching Big J's and what was on the
Big J's on the track.
Okay, as you can see here, this is the new spindle here. And then we're gonna put the blades on. And then we got the blades on. Okay, we're gonna put the belts on. But what I usually do, I always start from the back and put the belt around the back clutch first. Okay, this is the back clutch. So we're gonna put the belt around it, just like that. And then what I usually do, I come to the front. on there. Just like that. And now what I have to do, I have to tighten this down here to get it tight, and we good to go. Yep, everything is good. Okay, you all, this here, this is the spring adjuster, I believe. I think that's the way they call it, a spring adjuster. So what I usually do, you got to tighten that down to get your belts tighter than what it is. But all right, you all, let's take it on the yard and see how it do.
Big J's on the track, on the track, on the track.